Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money, cash or crypto on Interactive Brokers. So right now we are here on Interactive Brokers, and if you want to deposit money, we click here on transfer and go to transfer funds. Then right here we have the place where we need to decide which one we pick. So let's say we want to click here on deposit funds. And then right now we can add here a new deposit method. So link a bank account or a bank transfer or transfer from Wise wallet. What you want. But if you go back, I already linked my bank account. So if I go back and go again to transfer and pay, transfer funds. Right here I can click on deposit funds. And then I select right here my bank account, and then right here I can fill in right here the amount that I want to deposit, then click on continue, and then right now he will send me to the page where we need to do the payment. So right here click on continue, and then right now scan this QR code and do the following steps in your application on the app. So this is how you can deposit money to your Interactive Brokers account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.